Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your WhatsApp messages. Coming up. Hey guys, this is Binayak from Take Street, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore your WhatsApp messages. I'm gonna split this video into three parts. The first part will be the backup part, the second part will be the storing the backup, and the third part will be the restoring part. So let's get started. So hey guys, in this part we're gonna learn how we can back up those messages. So you have to go to your WhatsApp first, and then you have to tap on the three dot in the upper right corner. Let's click, and then you have to go to settings, and then you have to choose your that part, chats, and scroll down. You can see the chat backups. I'm going to click on it, and here remember one thing: don't choose Google Drive over here. It will back up your text to the Google Drive. We don't need that for now, so I'm gonna just click on the backup. So as you can see, it's backupping, and yeah, we can find the backup in the folder internal storage. So let me show you. It's internal storage, and you have to go to the WhatsApp and database, and here is the backup. And after that we're gonna move into the second part. Hey guys, this is the second part of the video. In this video we're gonna move those backups into our external storage. Don't worry if you don't have an external over here, and then wait for a while. WhatsApp is initializing everything. As you can see, you have to click never. As you can see, I have restored every messages over here. This process actually works for everyone. If you guys like my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you find it helpful, or if you have any suggestion or question, please comment down below. I'll try to help you out. Please subscribe to my channel for the future video and you will be notified. And if you think it's helpful for your friends, please share with them too. Thank you.